You have added up and you have written down how many books there are at different places, Ricardo, all around the room. Now, what can I do with all of those numbers?
On the bins, there is a number.
I know, but what do I do with those numbers?
Count them.
But I already have them counted. I have, yeah?
It's a pile.
What do you mean by that?
Some people get a couple,
Yeah?
a cup, like 2 of those big bins, and a couple people get 2 of those big bins.
Okay, but those bins have numbers on them. So one of the numbers says that there's 50. One of the numbers says that there's 30. One of the numbers says that there's 18. What should I do, Ricardo, with all those numbers?
You should count by 10, 30, 40.
Well, what do you mean? What do I need to do to figure out how many there are all together?
Count.
What do you mean by count them, though? Tell me what you mean by that.
By going 1, 2, 3, so you don't lose track of them.
Okay, except I've already counted the number in each bin. You counted some bins and you told me that there's 20 or 30 or 15. So now what do I do with all those numbers?
You write it down on a sticky note and then you put it on the books.
Okay, but I've done that. So this bin here, it says has 30. Another bin it says has 15. Another bin it says has 6. Another bin says 10. Another bin says 25. Another bin says 44. One bin says 17. One bin says 41.
So when you're counting them and you lose your mind,
I might do that.
you just write it down.
Okay, but move into a circle for a minute, quick as can be. Okay. There's lots of room, so just move yourself quickly into a circle. That's okay. Move yourself into something around.
Like a square.
Yes. Okay. Jordan did this bin and ate it. In Jordan's bin, it says that there's 30 books. Jordan's bin, Sarah, has 30 books. How many books are in Jordan's bin, Sarah? 30 books. So, Jordan's has 30 books. I'm going to count quickly here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I have 9 books in this one. So there's 30 in that one and 9 in this one. How can I figure out how many there are all together?
Just take as many books.
Yeah.
So count as many books and then put them all together and count it.
Okay, but if I did that, how many were in Jordan's bin, Ricardo?
30.
Right. So there's 30 here, there's 9 here. If I did that, if I put them all together like that, should I count all over again? Do you want to go and count all Jordan's? He's already done the work. How many are in his bin? 30. So how could I put those in? Do I need to recount this one? How many are in this bin?
30.
This is 9. So there's 30 there, there's 9 here. How could I figure out how many there are all together?
39. By putting them together.
What do you mean? How can I do that?
Dump them out and put them together.
But then I have to recount everything, and I don't want to recount. I know there's 30 in that bin. I know there's 9 in this one. What could I do?
Count the ones which are in there, and count the ones that are in there to make them go together.
But I don't want to do it all over again. I already did it again. Oh, Danny, what could I do?
Well, if you add them together, it's 39.
What do you mean? How do you know?
I actually used my fingers and it helped me.
Okay, Divya, show us what you did. And actually, Ricardo, can you just move over there so you can see?
I did this. I did this. 31, 32, 33, 34,
Shyla, were in that bin that Jordan counted?
39.
No, Jordan's bin didn't have 39. Jordan's bin had 30. So Jordan's had 30, and then Sarah, Jordan's had 30, and then, Divya, what did you choose to do? Instead of recounting Jordan's, what did she choose to do?
I just used my fingers.
And you?
And I counted the numbers after, like 31, 32. I counted like that.
So she counted.
Instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So she counted on from. She counted on from 30. So she started at 30 and she counts on the 9. So she counted 30, then 30, 1,
32, 33, 34, 35, 36,
37,
38,
30, 39. So hold on a minute. If she counted on like that, then she knows something. She knows that 30 plus 9 more makes how many?
39.
So she, what's it called when we put two groups together like that? 30 plus 9, what's that called?
3. It's called subtraction.
Is it subtraction by taking them away?
It means adding.
Right! She used addition. She used addition to put them together. So we have all those ones, so she could add these ones on, Sarah. She could probably add on all the other ones too. She could probably take those 39, and 39 is kind of close to what number?
30.
It's a little close to 30, but it's closer to what number?
30, 40.
So and 40 is a 10. So hold on. She could probably take that 40 and she could count 70 more. She could go 40, then 50,
60, 70,
80, 90, 100, 100 and
200.
let's think for a minute. We're at 100 and we got 10 more. Don't say anything. Think. We were at 100 and we added 10.
100 and then.
Wait. Don't say anything. Sarah, don't say anything. We were at 100. We add 10 more. So we have 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 110, which means 10 more than that would be 110. 10 more, 120. Right, 120. Then it would be 130. Then it would be 140. Then it would be 150. Then it would be 160. Then it would be 170. Then it would be 180. Then it would be 190. And then it would be 200.